Hey guys, it's Hidden here, and in today's video, I am doing gifting wars with how in the world do I pronounce your name? This is my best attempt. Willmowill2006. Hope that's good enough. So, he's recording, I'm recording, and we are doing gifting wars. And I don't have anything to gift. That sucks. So, we had a giveaway, of course we did. We have the rare fox hat giveaway. And he won because nobody commented on the video, and yeah. So let's do this. Alright, you want my giveaway, and here is this fox hat. Okay, so we're not going, I don't think we're doing good items to gift, so I'm gonna just ask. Just asking, casually asking this. Okay, no answer, I guess. Okay, so, okay, my turn to gift. Why? What? Why? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, a rare ninja mask. I'm gonna actually keep this for mail time, actually. I'm not gonna open any of yours. Okay, my turn. Okay. I'll give you something good this time. That would think good in my inventory. I'm gonna ruin my look with that. I was organizing my inventory, that's why I'm gonna give you this. I hope it's not greatly for you, I guess. Here you go. A mech angel helmet. I only have one. No. You're trying to gift me. Gift me. No. And I think I'll gift you Dinbetas of some sort. Like, is this Dinbeta and is this a bit? Lord, is this a Dinbeta and this? Oh, I can't talk, guys. You know what I mean. Okay, I'm not gonna open. I'm not gonna open. Okay, I'm not gonna open. Okay. Lord, I was gonna treat you. Wow. Okay, what in the world should I gift you? I'm not gonna give you clothing now because I'm running low. This is gonna be bad. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna give you a masterpiece. Okay, enjoy your masterpiece. Made from me. Keep calm and do it. Just do it, people. Please do a mail time and open all these gifts because I have loads. Oh Lord, someone liked my comment. Okay, that's some good stuff. Okay, okay. Whose turn to gift? It's his turn. Okay. Hello. Will you gift me? Hello. And I'll leave his channel link in the description down below, so enjoy that. Ooh, who the heck is that? Well, if you just found my channel, okay. I'll reply back. Willow, it's William, Will, it's your turn to give. What? Did I give a gift you? I think he's finding something to give me. Like, yeah. Probably. Okay. I'm not gonna open it. I wanna have full gemograms like Powering Wisteria Moon. Okay. Okay, what shall I gift him? It's not gonna be a very good item, but I'm gonna give you a brown towel. No. Okay, okay, that's it. That's it. I'm sorry if it's a bad item. I was gonna open my jugs for a second. I'm not gonna open my jugs. There you go. Kangaroo plush with a hat on it. Technically a bad item, but you can get it in the claw. Hey. Okay. Gift me Lord Cat. My cat didn't get out of my room that time. That sucks. Do fair. XD, okay. Okay. Fair. I got nothing fair to gift you. Okay. Oh, I know what I'm gonna gift you. It's a done beta, guys. Floor lamp. I don't think it's a done beta, but there you go. That's that, you know. I think it's done beta. I don't know, but I hope it's a good item. So yeah, I hope it's a good item, people. Hope it's a good item. Oh, but okay. I got another one. Okay, time to gift you again. What am I gonna gift you? I don't really like giving away masterpieces, but I don't know what a snowflake table is, so I don't know. I don't know if it's rare. Oh Lord, I can't type. Okay, I don't know if it's rare, but come on, just see it, okay? I'll just see it, okay? I don't know if it's rare or something, but yeah, I don't know. You get a snowflake table for Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's what you get. Okay, give me a back. I'm actually gonna save all of these gifts and open them tomorrow on the mail time that I'm going to be doing. So that's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Come on. I'm waiting 30 hours for this. Alright, I got a Jamagram. Woo, okay. My turn. I don't know what you gifted me, so I don't know if it's a good item or is it a bad item. Oh, is this a beta? Coral Canyon's floor. I think it is actually. Here you are. Coral Canyon's floor. That's what you get for, I don't know really, but yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna wrap the video up because I don't have all day to do something, you know, people, all day long. I don't want to do this all day long. Yeah. Come on, give me 4 Jags. Okay, we've gifted each other 5 times because I opened one, the Rare Ninja Mask. Sweetie. Okay guys, so I'll be ending the video here because I don't have much time to record. I know that sucks, guys. I know that sucks. But just excuse me, because, yeah, everybody. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. And check the link for his channel down below, because people, yeah, just subscribe to him. Help him get to 300 subscribers, everyone. And yeah, stay awesome too. Bye.